Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. This week I thought we'd take a look at some of the new features in the latest version of watchOS, and that's watchOS 9. With the introduction of Apple Watch mirroring for accessibility, we can now capture high-quality screencasts of the Apple Watch rather than relying on external video cameras, making it so much easier to demonstrate the new features on the Apple Watch. But before we get started with watchOS 9, I just wanted to point out an extra feature of iOS 16 focus modes that we didn't get to cover in the iOS 16 overview show. It's a very minor feature, but one I didn't want to skip over. When I did the original iOS 16 show, I didn't have an Apple Watch attached to my phone. So if we now go into focus modes, I'll just tap on the focus button in Control Center. And let's open one of these up. Let's say the work focus mode. I tap on the three dots and then go into settings. Right, I just wanted to show you that under the customize screens option, you now have the option to customize your watch face as well. So if I tap the choose label underneath the watch face in the customize screens section, I can go here and I can select any of the different watch faces that I have currently set up on my watch. We'll go into these different watch faces. There's some new ones here. But let's say you had a particular watch face that was optimized for what you do at work. You could just select that. Let's say modular. And now whenever I go into work focus mode, the screen on my watch, the watch face on my watch, will change automatically to the modular watch face. So just a nice little touch there, which I thought I would bring to your attention. So let's get started with watchOS 9. Now watchOS 9 does require Apple Watch SE or Apple Watch Series 4 or later, paired with iPhone 8 or later with iOS 16. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.